I'm gonna shoot a tree. Oh boy.
You missed it by like 15 feet.
Bud Schultz said he could probably hit that stop sign from here.
Bud Schultz is a liar, sir.
All you need to have physics on your side is a bigger gun.
Yeah, I mean, just look who's here.
Yeah, you want to try it?
Flash? Yeah, it was orange.
I'm gonna do this for the rest of the night.
What's it feel like first?
Laura, just go do it. Just nothing. You don't feel anything.
Nothing.
You hear the noise.
Put your foot here.
Okay.
Well, it smells like cheeseburgers.
Hold this like that.
Wasn't me.
I know.
Hold on tight here and push the button.
Make sure you get this on film. This is gonna
all
be
the
funny.
way.
Where'd it go?
There.
Way over there.
3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go?
You can't even see it anymore.
It's over that way.
Where'd it go?
That way.
Where is it?
Yes!
Roy really like.
He ate the meat.
Apples. Ammunition.
I did not catch it.
Ah! It's coming down. Like, yay, Kathunk. Oh my god, the whole thing lit up.
Did you see that? That was awesome. It glue orange. Look at the leaves. Look at all the leaves.
What was that?
It's nap gas.
Did you break it?
No.
The entire tube glue orange.
Or he's got it there.
Nomad.
There.
Where's the apple? Where is it? Was there an
I
apple
didn't even
in there?
see it.
He just hit the street light over there.
Holy cow, I didn't even see the apple that
No.
time.
Well, that's because it's dark outside.
Can you please put the
This
gun
is
in
what
the crew?
idiots do on the weekend. It's a simple fix. Hey, fire!
Is it arcing still?
We so had to put this on
He's starting
YouTube.
fluid to get rid of
Click. Boom. Click.
Arcing.
You gotta fix that problem.
Arcing. I guess not. It's hit me in the nuts, man.
Recording.
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 Recording. Fire!
Click.
You fail.
Click.
Click.
Boom. You oh.
Right.
Oh, nice. That was a
I
flame.
saw that one. Yes.
This is stupid.
Somebody shoot it. Quick,
Now just spray WD-40 all over the newspaper.
there it goes.